Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up Hey Google in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to enable or set up Hey Google, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your Google app, open it, and then down on your profile icon in the top right corner, select settings, then select Google Assistant, then voice match, and here you must have to enable Hey Google from here. And you can see Hey Google has been enabled. Now go back and here you must have to say hey Google to access hey on Google. So if you want to get it, just install this app. It is Google Assistant. Open Play Store, search for Google Assistant, just search for it and install this app. After installation, just open the app and make some setups which you want, and after that you just have to say hey Google to access Google in your phone, just like this. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.